Here's a reality check about employee retention. According to Gallup, as of May 2025, 51% of employees are actively looking for a new job. Now, here's where that number really stings. According to the Society for Human Resources Management, SHRM, replacing just one employee costs the company 6 to 9 months of that employee's salary. Let's do the math. If an employee makes $50,000 a year, about $24 an hour, replacing them costs at least $25,000. That's money that walks right out the door every time an employee leaves. Now, you might be thinking, well, most of our employees leave for more money, don't they? Wrong. SHRM data shows unsatisfactory pay only ranks sixth on the list of the reasons why employees leave. The top three reasons employees quit: one, negative work environment; two, poor company leadership; and three, dissatisfaction with their manager or supervisor. And Gallup's 2025 polling backs this up. An employee's manager or supervisor has a 70% impact on whether the employee decides to stay or leave. 70%. Here's the key takeaway. Retention isn't about trapping people in a job. It's about creating a workplace environment where they want to stay. When managers and supervisors get this right, companies don't just save millions, they build stronger and more engaged and more loyal teams. And how to create the right workplace environment is exactly what I'll be showing you in my free 1-hour webinar, The 4 Secrets of Increased Employee Engagement, Performance, and Retention. This webinar is sponsored by UST Education, so you know it has merit. Click the link in the description, save your spot, and join me on October 8th, 2025. And here's a pro tip. If you really know why employees are leaving, conduct anonymous exit interviews. Let your former employees tell you the real reasons they walked away, so you can begin to do something to increase employee satisfaction and retention. Keeping your best people isn't about money. It's about leadership. I could be wrong, but I'm not.